Hello, welcome to MyBedFrames. We've manufactured our mattresses and divans for over 2 generations and believe that they're comparable to no other, giving luxurious comfort and untroubled sleep. Today, I'd like to show you our Ellie orthopedic model. This 10-inch deep medium firm feel mattress has a deep layer of high density foam, then a soft layer of quilted pocketed memory foam, offering a contoured support throughout your body while still maintaining a firmer feel. The mattress cover is made from our exclusive extreme cool fabric, which is cool to the touch and exceptionally absorbent, removing moisture to ensure that you awake from your deep slumber fully refreshed. Mattress borders are stitched to give strength to the edge of the mattress and are fitted with flag stitch turning handles and air vents, keeping the mattress interior clean and fresh.